It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back. I want to teach some of you just some skin routine techniques that will just leave your skin feeling soft and flexible and just protect it from daily makeup usage and daily sun damage and so forth. Skincare is something that you really, if you do not check your skincare routine, you will struggle with makeup application, you will struggle with self-image and all those stuff. So the best thing to do is look after your skin, get products that actually, it's not cheap products, you know, but it's totally worth it. So yeah, let me just show you what I usually use. I mix products here and there to get the benefits of an array of products. So remember, morning routine: when you wake up, before you apply your makeup, you need to cleanse your skin, you need to tone it and moisturize it, and always remove your makeup before you go to sleep, especially mascara, because it will dry out your lashes, and all of us want luscious lashes. So do not go to sleep with makeup on. And the best, especially in winter, is to always also moisturize before you go to sleep. So honestly, I've really struggled with some skincare problems in my days. I do not have the best skin, but that's why I look after it, and that's why you have to use products. So keep your skin healthy. Especially start when you're young, because if you start when you're a bit older, yes, also it's important, but it will prevent aging skin. Okay, so I know all of us differ in when we do our skincare routines, and like when we shower, when we bath, all those stuff. One tip: never wash your face with the water you are bathing in. That's the better thing about a shower, because it's clean water that comes onto your face. But be careful to not use hot water. It will dry out your skin, and you need to keep your skin moisturized. It's very important. And the best tip I can give you for good skin is drink water, lots and lots of water. I know everybody says this and it's common sense, but it's something you really need to work on. Alright guys, so just to show you, this is basically the array of products that I use. Like you can see, it's a wide range. It's just to get the benefits of all of them, because sometimes one thing is good for something and another thing is better for another thing. So, okay, so usually in the morning before I do my makeup and stuff, if I know I'm going to have a busy day and I'm going out in the sun and so forth, I use my Neutrogena array of products. This is the cleanser. It's the blackhead eliminating cleansing lotion. It's really good. It's got a bit of a harsh smell, a bit of a chemical-like smell, but it does do wonders for blackheads especially, and it really cleans your skin. And directly after that I use the toner, but this is the visibly clear spot proofing purifying toner. Yeah, just to tone those skin without facelifting, you know. And then the moisturizer, obviously, always after. This moisturizer is amazing. It's SPF 30 broad spectrum, for especially when you go into the sun a lot during the day. This is probably the best cream you can get, and it feels good on your skin. It's amazing. Like, buy this. Okay, and then when I know I'm not going to be in much sun, but maybe a bit of sun, for moisturizer I can use the Sorbet Hydro Skin. This one is more of a natural product, so if you don't like the chemicals and stuff, which aren't always good for you, this is a great alternative. Sorbet Hydro Skin SPF 15 Day Cream. Or another alternative, this is actually a great one because you skip the toning process, is the Nivea Q10 Power Anti-Wrinkle Pore Refining Day Cream. this is basically a cream and toner in one. It's awesome. So then you just cleanse your face and you use this, and it's also SPF 15 like I said. So this is also for a day when you don't get a lot in the sun, but just to still protect you from the sun. Okay, and then at night when you need to remove your makeup, micellar water, we all know, is a great thing. This one is from Sorbet, Salon Skin Specialist Care 3-in-1 cleansing water. So this is micellar water. This is also it's got a lot of natural products in, so it's not that chemically harsh. It's really soft on your skin, so it's very good for sensitive skins especially. Or I also use, especially in winter when your skin tends to dry out a lot, the Garnier Skin Active. This is 96% natural origin ingredients, so this is very, very natural, and it's soft on your skin, and it moisturizes as well because it's a cream-like soothing cleansing milk, and it's good for sensitive skin as well. It's got no parabens, no silicones, no artificial colorants. So Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Cleansing Lotion cleansing milk is really good, especially for night cleansing. And then at night, remember, especially in winter, like I said, when your skin tends to dry out, use cream before you go to sleep. It also protects your skin against stuff maybe on your pillow when you go to sleep. So this is from Avon Care and Restore Night Mature Skin. So also very good. It smells lovely. I love it. It smells really good. So yeah, this is a very good one for night. And then sometimes if you are really tired and you had a rough night and really don't have time for a cleansing routine, keep this beside your bed, guys. It's also Sorbet. It's just cleansing pads. It's like these small cotton pads. Let me just show you that you can just wipe your mascara off, at least, just to make sure your lashes do not dry out. So it's this size, you know, it's very small, but you can literally just wipe it off. It's really good. So it's a good idea to keep it beside your bed, and when you hit the bed after a rough night or something, just wipe off your mascara, your makeup with these. And then yeah, other products that I use, not as much because it's quite expensive, but it's great for your skin, is the Bobbi Brown Soothing Cleansing Oil. Guys, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Your skin feels so soft when you use it. And it's got jasmine flower, white water lily, goji berry extract, so also great product. The only thing is with this, you actually need to wash your face, so maybe when you take a shower or something, it's not like all the other cleansing stuff I showed you. You can take a cotton pad and wipe it off, but with this you actually need water, but it leaves your skin feeling very soft, very moist, and just glowing. And then also from Bobbi Brown is their vitamin enriched face base. This smells like lemon cream cookies. It's amazing. But this is a good primer for your makeup, and it also moisturizes, so put it on before your makeup. If you, I don't know actually if it does, yeah, it doesn't have SPF, so if you're going out in the sun, maybe not the best idea. You can put it on after your sun moisturizer, that's fine, but not only this if you're going to have a long day in the sun. If you're going to be mostly indoors, very great product. It's a primer and a moisturizer, so you skip the priming process completely, and it really eases the application of makeup, so good idea. And then also, actually I got the sample from MAC. I haven't actually bought the big thing, but so far that I've used it, it's great. It gives you a skin glow, so it hydrates your skin and it gives you a glow. So also a good thing before applying your makeup for the day, or even if you're not going to wear makeup for the day, just apply some of this on your face and you've got a nice glow for the day. And then the last product I want to show you is the Salon Skin Specialist Care from Sorbet. This is a barrier cream, so it protects your skin. and it's got plant actives and a lot of natural goodness in it. And it feels like baby skin if you put it on, because it's a primer as well, so it moisturizes, it protects, and it's a primer, so go buy this. But yeah, this is also when you stay indoors, well, mostly indoors for the day. So yeah, alright guys, so that's my array of skincare products. Let me know what you guys use. Maybe I should try some of that. And yes, if you want to know where to buy this stuff and so forth, let me know. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys will have glowing skin and glowing hair. Thank you, bye.